Alright, picture this, you've just received that sleek, brand new Rogers Bank card in the mail. You're excited, maybe you're thinking about those cashback rewards, or finally getting that new gadget. But then, you hit a wall. That little plastic card, so full of potential, is just sitting there. Inactive. You're wondering, now what? Sound familiar? We've all been there. Getting a new credit card is a moment of anticipation, but the activation process can sometimes feel like deciphering a secret code. You're eager to start using it, but you don't want to mess anything up. You're thinking, is it even safe? What if I do it wrong? Today, we're going to demystify the entire process of activating your Rogers Bank card. We'll walk you through each step, ensuring you can go from just received to ready to spend in no time. We'll cover the different methods, the security measures, and address any potential hiccups you might encounter. First, let's talk about why activation is essential. It's not just a formality, it's a crucial security measure. When a new card is issued, it's intentionally deactivated. This prevents anyone else who might intercept your mail from using it. Activation is your way of confirming that you, and only you, have received the card. It's the digital equivalent of saying, yes, this is mine, and I'm ready to use it. Rogers Bank offers several convenient methods for activating your card, designed to cater to different preferences and situations. Let's break them down, starting with the most straightforward, online activation. Online activation. This is often the quickest and easiest method. If you're comfortable with online banking, this should be your go-to option. To begin, you'll need to access your Rogers Bank online banking portal. If you haven't already registered, you'll need to do that first. This usually involves providing your card details and some personal information to verify your identity. Once you're logged in, look for the Activate Card or a similar option. It's usually located in the Cards or Account Services section. You'll be prompted to enter specific information, such as your card number, expiry date, and the CVV code, the 3-digit number on the back of your card. After entering the required details, you'll likely need to confirm your identity through a security question or a one-time passcode sent to your registered mobile number or email address. This is a crucial step to ensure that it's really you activating the card. Once your identity is verified, your card should be activated instantly. You'll typically receive a confirmation message on the screen, and sometimes an email or text message as well. Phone activation. If you prefer to speak to a representative or if you're having trouble with online activation, phone activation is another excellent option. You'll need to call the Rogers Bank customer service number, which is usually printed on a sticker attached to your new card or can be found on their official website. When you call, you'll be guided through an automated system or connected to a customer service representative. Be prepared to provide your card number, expiry date, and other personal information to verify your identity. The representative or automated system will guide you through the activation process. They may ask you security questions or require you to confirm your identity through other means. Once your identity is verified, your card will be activated. Mobile app activation. For those who prefer to manage their finances on the go, the Rogers Bank mobile app offers a convenient way to activate your card. Download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store and log in using your online banking credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Cards or Account Services section. Look for the Activate Card option and follow the on-screen instructions. Similar to online activation, you'll need to provide your card details and verify your identity. The app may also offer additional security features, such as biometric authentication, to enhance the security of the activation process. Things to keep in mind. Regardless of the method you choose, there are a few important things to remember. Security: never share your card details or personal information with anyone you don't trust. Rogers Bank will never ask you for your PIN or full password via email or text message. Accuracy: double-check all the information you enter during the activation process. Incorrect information can lead to delays or even prevent your card from being activated. Confirmation: Always ensure you receive a confirmation message or email after activating your card. This is your proof that the process was successful. PIN. After activating your card, you'll need to set a PIN, personal identification number. This is a 4-digit code that you'll use for ATM withdrawals and point-of-sale transactions. Choose a PIN that's easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Avoid using obvious numbers like your birthdate or address. Review your card agreement. Take some time to review your card agreement. This document contains important information about your card's terms and conditions, including interest rates, fees, and rewards programs. Contact customer service. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, don't hesitate to contact Rogers Bank customer service. They're there to help you resolve any problems and ensure a smooth activation. Check your first statement. Once you use your card, check your first statement to ensure all transactions are correct. This helps to make sure there hasn't been any fraud. Keep your contact information updated. Ensure Rogers Bank has your most up-to-date phone number and address. This will help with security and any important information they may need to send you. Understand rewards. If your card has a rewards program, take the time to learn how it works. Knowing how you can earn and redeem rewards can help you maximize the benefits of your card. Be aware of fees. Understand the fees that may be associated with your card, such as annual fees, late payment fees, and cash advance fees. Set up payment reminders. To avoid late payments, set up payment reminders or automatic payments. Protect your card. Treat your card like cash. Keep it in a safe place and never leave it unattended. Now, you might be wondering, what if something goes wrong? What if you enter the wrong information, or what if you don't receive a confirmation message? If you encounter any issues during the activation process, the best course of action is to contact Rogers Bank customer service immediately. They can help you troubleshoot any problems and ensure that your card is activated correctly. Don't hesitate to ask questions. If you're unsure about any aspect of the activation process, don't be afraid to seek clarification. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Remember, activating your Rogers Bank card is a simple process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps and keeping these tips in mind, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free activation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.